Yes, as of September 2025, you can port your Google Voice number to US Mobile. US Mobile supports Bring Your Own Number for compatible VoIP numbers, including Google Voice. However, Google has implemented stricter controls. The direct transfer option in Google Voice app is generally unavailable now, so you'll need a transfer PIN from Google support. Also, there's a $5 fee from Google for porting out. The porting process transfers your number from Google's servers to US Mobile, allowing you to use it with a physical SIM card. Make sure your number is active and not blocked by Google before starting. First, prepare your Google Voice account by contacting Google support to request a transfer PIN. This can take 24 to 48 hours. Then, sign up for a compatible US Mobile plan. Next, submit the port request to US Mobile, providing the transfer PIN, account details, and billing information. US Mobile will handle the FCC form submission. Activation typically takes 1 to 2 days. Once approved, activate your SIM card and test the number. Finally, close your Google Voice account after the port is complete. Note that the whole process can take 3 to 7 days. Remember, the number must be US-based, active, and not tied to incompatible services like Google Workspace. Also, be prepared for Google's $5 porting fee and any US Mobile activation fees.